Yo, it's Jen here, Cupcakeology Bakery. And as my family and I are winding down the last few weeks here at our bakery, Cupcakeology, as we're retiring the retail bakery to take our brand online, I've been talking to, so many of our customers that have been with us for a decade, crying on the phone with them. I mean, they are boo-hoo tearing, letting me know how much my husband and I's success with our business and where we've started from in our home, a mustard seed, and taking it to something as big as we did, way bigger than just our location. She said that meant more than anything, and I have no idea really how much that's impacted her life. Her having watching it, and her having a daughter that's the same age as I was when I discovered my passion for baking at the age of 9. And she said having her daughter watch an African American female start her dream business, make so many people happy, servicing her people and just helping others start their dream businesses, and just pushing past all the setbacks that ran up into us in the neighborhood that we're in, and just the amount of success that we've had. She was literally in tears telling me how much I have no idea that meant to her. And it just, even though I was crying too, it just gets me so excited, because y'all have no idea that having my husband and I 100% in the coaching, how much that's going to change your life. We are about to take our family and our business. We're about to make a huge quantum leap in 2021. And if you are ready to make that huge leap, you better start riding with us, because I'm telling you, there is no limit to what is about to go down in our program, the Start Small Win Big Academy. Oh my gosh, for the students that are in it, I am so excited for you guys. If y'all are ready to take your baking business to not even the next level, just soar, shatter through those glass ceilings. I mean, hashtag what glass ceiling? I don't even believe in glass ceilings, okay? I make my ceiling my floor, all right? There are no glass ceilings. If y'all ready to do the damn thing, if y'all are ready to start that business that you've been so passionate about, but not only just starting the business, guys, if you are ready to start growing the branches that could come out of you just starting that bakery into something that is so unimaginable, you better start riding with Rob and Jen in the Start Small Win Big Academy. Book your call today. Link is in our bio. If you can't find it, DM me. I'll send it to you. Get started with our ebook, Think Like a CEO Baker's Edition. Get started today. Get started yesterday while you're waiting to speak with me, okay? We are about to totally kill the game. With all that's going on in the world today, it is our duty to lift each other up. It is our duty to share all that we have. It is our duty to get our businesses out there in the world. It is our duty to build something for our children so they can start off on a different level than we did, and so they can have something for their children and their children. Y'all better start riding with Rob and Jen in the Start Small Win Big Academy. I'll be waiting for you to book your call. I cannot wait to speak with you. 2021, year of quantum leaps. Let's do this.